Hi guys, so today we are going to solve this question. If the tangent at point 17 with curve x square equals to y minus 6 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 16x plus 12y plus c equals to 0, then c is dash. So we are given first x square equals to y minus 6, equation of a curve. So we can find two things from this equation. First is the slope of the equation and equation of this point 17. So dy upon dx equals to 2x. At x equals to 1, we can say dy by dx equals to 2, that is m equals to 2. With this, the equation of point 17 can be written as y minus 1 equals to 2 into x minus 1, y minus 7. So let's call this equation number 1. Now it is said that this point touches the circle at x squared plus 16x plus 12y plus c equals to 0. So x squared plus 2. So we can simplify this equation using simple a plus b the whole square rules. X squared plus 2 into 8x plus y squared plus 2 into 6y plus c. So as we can see, we can add and subtract 8 square, and we can add and subtract 6 square to this equation. Equals to 0. So the simplified equation is x square x plus 8 the whole square plus y plus 6 the whole square plus 64 plus 36 minus 64 minus 36, that is 100 minus 100 plus c equals to 0. So we can write this as x plus 8 square plus y plus 6 whole square equals to 100 minus c. Now this is equation 2. Now it is said that the first equation touches the circle, this just touches, so we can write first equation, that is 2x minus y equals to minus 5, that is 2x minus y plus 5 equals to 0, implies 2 multiplied by minus 8 minus 6 plus 5 upon under root a square b squared. A is 2 square, b squared, that is 1, equals to under root 100 minus c. So solving these equations, we get minus 16 plus 6 plus 5 upon 4 under root 5 equals to under root 100 minus c, implies under root 100 minus c equals to under root 5. Squaring both sides, we get 100 minus c equals to 5, implies c equals to 95, which is the correct answer.